Hi, buddies. How are you all? Well, I'm traveling on work. I'm taking classes at places in South India, so I could not come to the studio. But one quick update. I was just going through the examination dates. Guys, a very quick update. So, foundation exams are starting when? 24, 26, 28, and 30th June, right? So, please see the exam dates properly. And two very important things, paper one and paper two are going to happen from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And of course, there will be reading time. So, you will have to go and start, be inside the room by 1:45, where they will give you the question paper. And guys, for the MCQ based exams, P3 and P4, right, quant economics and all those things, there is no reading time. I repeat, there is no reading time. So your exam will be between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I repeat, guys, for P3 and P4, there is no reading time. Coming to CA inter and final, you already have know the dates and all that. I'm not going to get into that. But buddies, the CA inter and final examination is going to happen from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Yes, this time the timings have been revised, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And you have to obviously 2:45 to be there so that you will get the question paper 15 minutes before the exam. Reading time is there, obviously. Whereas for CA final paper 6, the elective exam, wow, you're going to have fun. It's going to be 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Right? So carry your pillow, mattress, and all those things. You can sleep there, right? 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. And of course, there will be reading time of 15 minutes. Guys, very interesting to note, for composite papers, like for example, law, paper 4 and paper 6D in CA final, and even CA inter, whatever the case may be, CA inter and CA final, the composite papers where MCQ and descriptive both are there. All those papers, there is no reading time for MCQ questions, which means the seal will be opened for MCQ questions only at 3 p.m. So if you feel that, oh, I can tick MCQs, no, MCQ is a time-based thing. So you can't have that 15 minutes leeway. So please understand all this. Please prepare yourself. So when you're writing a mock exam, when you're taking reading time 15 minutes, do not see the MCQ questions. I'm saying in mock exams, all this really help a lot. So why are you, sir, why sir are you telling all these things? Guys, these are very simple points. I know you already know, but think about it. Generally used to have breakfast and finish off lunch basically by around 12:45 to go to the examination hall. But for long hours now, you won't be able to eat. So obviously you'll have 12:30 and go to the examination hall and you'll sit there. Then of course examination will start, and the next thing only would be at around 6-7 p.m. like that, you'll come back. So from now there is still time. Please plan your schedule. Please plan your breakfast and lunch. Trust me, everything in the body is about also the food that you take. It's not just the exercise. Food and water play a major role in also helping us clear the examination. So I'm telling you, even from personal experience, kindly plan your breakfast and lunch timings right now. Do not wait for the examination hall. Your body needs some time to get attuned to the new timings. So plan it in such a way that you try to not be hungry from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So attune your mind and attune your body to that particular change in the schedule right now, because all this while you'll be thinking 2 to 5. So let me change my let me continue my plans just like that. But now things are changing, things have changed. So you need to ensure that your lunch and breakfast times are aligned. A sound mind and a sound body matters a lot, right? And one more thing, ICA has given a relaxation for that 8-month study period for the ones who are going to clear CA foundation and then joining CA inter. So basically those, if you are writing inter in November 21, generally it would have been, you should have cleared the November 20 or December 20 foundation examinations. But since you had, those of you who have opted out in the November cycle, November 20 cycle, and those of you CA foundation students who have joined the January 21 cycle and who have written the examination, there is a one-time relaxation from that 8-month study period, because the results will come and then for you there will obviously be a relaxation. You guys can still write the inter examination. You can still write the inter examinations in November 21, provided you register at the CA Institute by 1st April 21. I repeat, you need not follow that 8-month study pattern. Only for this, those people who have opted out in November and written in January. So these are the small points that I wanted to tell you guys. Very simple points. You already know everything. I know that, but just, from my side, it was my duty to share with you. Please plan your food intake. Please plan your food timing. Get your mind attuned to this. I wish you all the best from my bottom of my heart. All the best, buddies. Take care. I'll keep coming more often now on YouTube. Been busy with a few classes, but I'll be there soon. I'll be releasing many videos, and stay tuned, buddies. Love you all. Take care. See you. Ciao. Bye.